Yeah, this is beyond impressive. This is phenomenal. We need the house tour to. Oh my god, make this your screensaver. Are you kidding me?
Right?
Top hill, just subscribe. No story, just to pick a power bank. Carbonated.
Yeah. We here. What's popping? All right, let's jump right into it, man. 3, 2, 1. Top Hill, episode 205. Welcome to another episode of the Top Hill Live Show. This is your boy, Mr. Top Hill Live, a.k.a. EmoneyBoss.
And I'm TheeCarmen.
TheeCarmen in the building. And special guest in the building, yeah!
It's the baby.
It's the baby! Not the one from North Carolina. Welcome, guys.
The baby.
The baby. Okay, I got you. Welcome, guys, to another episode of the Top Hill Live Show. We got a great show for you guys tonight. All right. Let's get our girl on the line real quick and get the show started properly. Hey, FYI, this is Imani and Carmen. We're about to start episode 205. Can you go ahead and let the people know who you are and what the show is all about?
Of course, Imani and Carmen. Let's get episode 205 started. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 205 of the Top Hill Live Show. I'm FYI, your creative voice assistant, here to support your incredible hosts, Imani and Carmen, as we embark on another exciting journey. Our mission is to bridge the gap between African cultures on the continent and in the diaspora, exploring music, real estate, culture, and so much more. We're all about celebrating diversity and fostering a global community through rich conversations and live reactions. Whether you're tuning in from Lagos, London, Johannesburg, or Jamaica, this show is designed just for you. Join us as we delve into trending topics, share unique experiences, and fuel our passion for traveling to Africa. A heartfelt thank you to the Top Hill family for making every episode vibrant and special. It's all possible because of you, and a warm welcome to our new viewers. We're excited to have you with us. Let's dive into episode 205. Now back to our fabulous hosts, Imani and Carmen.
Thank you, FYI. Remember, somebody wanted us to watch this too. It was a little quick 2-minute John. Steyn City home in South Africa. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. Let's jump right into it.
Why do you smell like that?
You got Black Buddha up here. You got Black Buddha in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Oh, wow. Damn. Those are some small bedrooms, but is that a golf course?
All the space in the bedroom. The game room in the bedroom.
Oh, lakefront?
Them bathrooms. Oh my God. What's happening?
This is fire as hell.
And me personally, I really love like dark finishes and like
Yeah, me too. I do like dark finishes as
and
well.
like the black accents. Like it looks nice.
Yeah, I think honestly, like my favorite style homes, if we can get more of these, like modern homes that are dark finishes, it's like
yes. Mm-hmm.
I would see them all day long. Like that the Ghana video that we was about to watch too, but it was just fully AI. That looked like something, but like they just, you know what I
Can we
mean?
just like print like 3D print homes? Like, I
They
feel
do have 3D print homes. They do have those now. Yeah, that's actually coming soon to America. So like basically like the new trailers, like trailer parks and stuff like that, they're 3D printing those homes. And
I don't care if the house is made out of paper mache as long as it looks nice because we live in Maryland.
Yeah, for
This
sure.
We ain't getting no tornadoes knocking our homes away.
Yeah, it's very rare. And like hurricanes not gonna come here like blizzards. Like that's not gonna do nothing. Yeah, we can actually get some nice homes. I've seen like very few modern style homes in Maryland. Like
Yeah.
very few.
I've actually like just driving through DC, like you can randomly come across one in like the most craziest neighborhood. It's like what the
houses
is
here
this doing here?
Right. The only thing about DC, like DC, you don't own the land, so like whenever they want to just come in here,
get out.
Right. It's like this. Oh, this is a really nice house that you This is a really nice house that you put right here. You mind if we put a complex on it? Like, yeah, man.
You mind if we put a government facility on it?
Right. Exactly.
What the hell?
Oh yeah. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
Listen here. Pillsbury Dill Baby. Ooh, I like the bar here.
Oh wow.
I knew when I seen the guitars that this home was owned by an American.
Right. Nice piano. Wow. And it's solar power too. Hold on, man. No, all right. So
Beautiful.
beautiful home. I don't know if this is already constructed or not. I wish we can get a full house tour from somebody on this because this is incredible. I'm going to see if we can actually find this house so we can actually get like a price or something on it. Yeah. Wow. Okay. We found it.
Ooh.
6 bedroom. Ooh, my God. Wow.
So, wow.
Damn. Hold
Come
on.
furnished?
Damn.
Okay. You're one of them. All right. Let's get a better view. Right.
They had the price right there, though.
Yeah. I'm just wow.
Well, if it comes furnished, you guys can take your motorcycle car, your race car.
I'll keep that junk. I'm not big on motorcycle, but I'm gonna sell that junk. We just put some money back into this house.
They're gonna keep everything except that. It's just gonna be an empty area.
This house is incredible.
And then the sun is out. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All that
let me see.
natural
Go
light.
get it.
Ooh, this is where I'll be all day.
Oh yeah.
Get all that natural light. What is that fan doing right there? That fan is. Get that fan out of here, dog.
At least we know it's not AI.
Right. This is the fan I'm talking about, y'all. Get that fan.
Why are you here?
Why are you here? Get out of here.
I mean, I'm assuming in all that natural sun probably burning up.
Oh yeah, it might get hot. But I don't know. South Africa could be cool too. Like South Africa gets
No, but
cold
it's
season.
like it could be cold like right now in December here.
Right, true.
If you're sitting in the sun behind a window, you're
Yeah,
probably gonna be cooking.
Yeah, for sure. Fried eggs. The mini golf course is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, this is beyond impressive. This is phenomenal. We need the house tour to. Oh my God! Make this your screensaver. Are you kidding me?
Right?
For like gold. This is crazy. What the heck? Yeah, so I'm in love. Let's see, where's the price at? Okay. $3,295,689. That's very specific. Six.
Cash.
Right, 6 bedrooms, 6 baths, 12,000 square foot, and yeah, wow. Steyn City, South Africa. All right, cool. Now, he's like, put me on the mic, Mom. 3 million. We'll 3,000,003. Let's do that.
Yeah.
All right.
How many bedrooms is it?
6. So let's do 3,000,002 to 3,000,003. Oops. All right. Let's see what we get.
Borders.
Our borders are removed.
Okay. Oh, they're ready to build. They said if you got the money.
All right, we want a house.
Why would you build a house like that? Like, that's not even modern.
Right.
Stop building houses like that.
Right. Waterfront. Oh yeah, GG's. All right. Pool. Gotta have a pool at least. All right, cool. That narrowed it down. All right. Okay. Look. Oh.
Ooh, modern home in the middle of the woods.
Wait a minute now.
Okay, I can get with that.
I'm not mad at this. I am not mad at this at all.
This is Great Falls. Oh yeah, Great Falls.
Great Falls.
Okay, that's all we need to know.
Money, money, money. All right. I'm actually kind of surprised that, we were speaking up on Americans having modern homes and where they at. Looks like we might have found it. Ooh. I like the design. This is kind of smaller, but I mean.
Oh, cool. Okay.
This is like in the cut. Like nobody would know you're back here.
Bears, but that's about it. Ooh, that is such a beautiful home, though.
It's very compact. I don't think you see the size of this thing. Like the one in South Africa is like 10 times this size, but this is still very beautiful.
You don't need that much space, though. Like.
Yeah, I'm not one to need a bunch of space.
Like you can, I don't know. I feel like I can tell by the way people decorate their houses if they have kids or not.
Yeah.
There's a lot of white. There's a lot of
black. Yeah.
Probably like two older senators.
Yeah. Nice kitchen.
Yeah.
Big window. Nice grill area, patio. No light upstairs.
What?
No light upstairs.
Where you don't see no light?
It's just carpet. It looks like carpet. It's like carpet on the stairs, right? Am I tripping?
You said no light upstairs?
Yeah, like the
light upstairs. I'm like, there's lights right there.
Okay. This is nice.
Do you think this is AI?
Yes, this is definitely AI, for sure. Sauna. Okay.
A sauna.
Okay.
A sauna.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
I need that money.
This is nice. Like if I had to stay in America.
If I had to stay.
Yeah, yo. Like, okay.
I had to stay in the DMV in particular.
Yeah. I don't know if I could get used to being in Virginia. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know.
I don't go out that often.
I don't like going out there. I don't know.
Great Falls is like a 30-minute drive.
Yeah. It's yeah.
I'm sure this is your private property. You probably own your property.
Oh yeah, for sure. Like all this land, all this woods around you too, all these trees, like very, very, very private.
Oh. Jesus Christ, boy.
Let's see.
Child, go.
How did you do that? You didn't even see it. you was fast. You know that? You fast and you quiet. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you be sneaking up on people. Like, how you do that, man? You got talent. So, man, we gonna put you to work, man.
I need you to go sit down.
All right. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty nice. This is a nice home. And then where are you at? The Steyn City home. Where are you at? There you are. This is also a very nice home. You get a lot more land and property and space in this home. So if that's what you're looking for, cool. If you're looking for, something more petite, you know what I mean?
Something close to the capital, I guess.
Yeah, you like if you got to be in DC, you know what I mean?
Ambassador.
Yeah. All right. Okay. We're going to do Kenya next week. If you guys know,
please.
Yeah, Kenya, please. And I think we got some good Kenyan content. So, Kenya, if you're watching and listening, it is your time to shine. Okay.
Oh, when are we gonna do our episode on the Congo?
We got to do that. So we're gonna have a whole series on like some of these other stuff. So like a whole Joan Congo, Haiti, indigenous.
Okay.
Like I definitely want to tap into all of
Moors.
that. Yeah, the Moors. Yeah, we definitely want to tap into all of that as well too. I think we could say that's like once we get past the 50,000 subscriber mark.
Perfect.
You know what I mean? Then we could just start the new season and start bringing in some of that new stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys just had we just had a private Top Hill meeting. You guys are invited. Welcome. Okay. Guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of the Top Hill Live Show. We greatly appreciate it. And yeah, man, we'll see you guys next week. This is your boy, Mr. Top Hill Live, a.k.a. EmoneyBoss.
And I am TheeCarmen.
And I'm going to go out with this. So all day I got to check in with my lovely co-host and our special guest. How was your weekend? What's going on with y'all, man? Y'all good?
We was Thanksgiving it up.
Oh, yeah.
Eating, being a big back.
Big back activity this weekend in the United States, y'all. Like,
absolutely.
Yeah.
It's Monday, so if you still have leftovers, it's time to throw them away.
Yeah, no, like, if you eat a Thanksgiving leftovers past today, you should seek
Today's
help.
actually the deadline.
Yeah.
Like, if it's in your refrigerator, you're going to have to eat what you can and let it go.
Seek therapy.
Yes.
Because, and also go to the doctor as well, too. You should not be eating that food past that
Therapy
time.
is crazy.
But, it is a major holiday here in the United States. But, honestly, I just know too much facts. I'm not really big on Thanksgiving itself. I normally say, like, Turkey Day or something like that. Just because, I know the history of Thanksgiving and what it actually meant and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in stuff like that, maybe let us know in the comments. Maybe we can get into it. But,
yeah.
Yeah.
AKA Mass Genocide Day.
Yeah, Mass Genocide Day. Like, I'm not just with, people just murdering a bunch of people and then making a holiday out of it. It's not my vibe. But
Black people just be eating.
yeah, it's just for us. We get a day off and we can eat and be with our families. That's what we see it as. And we get to say what we're thankful for. And one thing, like, what I really was thinking about over the holiday is what I was thankful for. And honestly, I'm thankful for you all. Real talk. Not to sound corny or anything like that, but like just, I'm really thankful for every single one of you guys. Everybody that be coming to the live show every single time. Benjamin Yankas, Steiger. I'm shout out to people who's in here right now. Dax, Valentine, Emma, Habib, I Show Tech. Like, if I miss your name, my bad. But you guys be coming in here every Monday, rocking with us, giving us suggestions, and I greatly appreciate it. And then everybody that be leaving us comments on our videos as well too. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for sharing our content, liking it, commenting. I'm gonna do better with getting to the comments. Like you guys take time out of your day to watch our videos and to just take time out of your day. That means a lot to us. So greatly appreciate it. I'm thankful for my co-host Carmen as well too. She has been absolutely amazing and just great to the show as well too. So I'm grateful for her. And yeah, man, just grateful for my family, my friends, my girl. Like, there's just so many things to be grateful for in general. But yeah,
Monty, we are grateful for you.
Oh, thank you.
We wouldn't be here without you on this road to 50K.
Thank you. Greatly appreciate it.
The host with the most. The man who blood, sweat, and tears behind the scenes.
Yes, all the above.
There would be no top of the hill.
There would be none. Yeah, man. So, like,
round of applause for yourself.
Okay, I do it. Round of applause for all of us, man. Round of applause for all of us.
Top hill, they don't know. Top hill, just subscribe.